Ever looked at someone's hair admiringly, wishing to know their hair care secret while struggling with your own? I've been there, I've done the research, and today I'm here to share the 3 most important habits that people with incredible hair follow. Women with amazing hair don't underestimate the power of a good homemade deep conditioner. I have tried a lot of hair masks during my time here at Glamrs, but this Indigo hair mask is the bomb. Affordable and easy to make, all you need is 2 tablespoons of indigo powder and mix it with 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Indigo promotes growth, prevents dandruff, while yogurt is a natural hair moisturizer. Mix and apply on your scalp and hair for 20 minutes and then wash off for the most well-nourished, soft and voluminous hair. Before we get into the next 2 tips, I'd like to tell you that this video is sponsored by Purple. I'm sure you already know that Purple is India's #1 beauty destination, and we're offering a special discount to all our subscribers and followers. If you haven't downloaded the app, I've added a link in the description box, and I've also added a link up here in the card. We use the Purple app a lot here at Glamrs, and I'm super excited to offer this discount to all of you. Only authentic products, super helpful customer service, and guess what? They're big fans of Glamrs as well. Now, let's move on to the next tip. If, like me, you've been told that you need a palm full of shampoo to wash your hair, you've been lied to. If they can lie to you about hair care, trust me, they can lie to you about anything. All you need is a little bit of shampoo and dilute it with some water. And then you can apply it on your scalp. This will reduce the amount of chemicals that hit your hair. Pro tip, this will also reduce your shampoo cost. So now you know what to do to make that fancy shampoo last longer. There's one more step. Use a scalp scrubber to exfoliate your scalp and unclog those follicles. This is the simplest hack that people with fabulous hair follow to clean their scalp while maintaining its moisture. Women with fabulous hair never miss out on their regular haircuts. Trim ½ inch of your hair every 3 to 4 months. You can either do it yourself at home or you can go to a salon and leave it to a professional. Doing so will get rid of dead split ends, reduce breakage, and make your hair appear much fuller and healthier. So now you know the secret to fabulous hair. Deep condition weekly, dilute your shampoo, and get regular trims. I hope you make these habits a permanent part of your hair care routine. I'm Deeba, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous. We have a lot of amazing videos on our channel. Here's something that you should watch. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you always know whenever we upload a new video. Oh, and use the code and save your money.